Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This morning I want to speak on an exposition how to win a bet. Winning a bet is such a difficult task and only those that have enough information have been successful in it, and that's a very few number of people compared to the multitude that are playing bet every day. So before I go into that, I want you to really understand why you should learn what I want to teach today. I want to show you how to get correct score betting tips. That doesn't mean you will be betting on correct scores only, but with that you can do a lot of things. You can predict a possible outcome, then you can decide to go on goals, you can decide to go on draws, you can decide to go on wins, and so forth and so on. But the most important thing is for you to know how to get correct scores betting tips. And that's what I'm going to do this morning. And before we go into that, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified by YouTube whenever we upload a video like this. Sometimes I do upload predictions, and sometimes I teach how to make predictions yourself. Our people used to say, don't just give me fish, teach me how to fish. And that's what I'm doing this morning. Okay, we'll be working with two different apps. One of them is Lucky Patcher and the other one is Prime Sport. So I'm going to do the tricks here. So just watch my screen, follow my voice. If possible, get a pen and paper so that you write them down. First of all, you're working with two different apps. The first one is Lucky Patcher. The other one is Prime Sport. You can Google them or you can download it from Google Play Store. But the Lucky Patcher is not on Play Store. You download it from Google. So I'm going to go straight into it. So let's assume that you have downloaded it, because that's the first thing to do. Locate and download the app. So I won't do that because they are already installed on my phone. So I'm going to go straight to Lucky Patcher. When you open Lucky Patcher, this is what you're going to see. Something like this. It's going to display all the apps that is installed on your phone. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to search for the app that I want to work with. So what Lucky Patcher literally does is it remove every restriction on app so that you can have access to the premium options on the app. So this is prevent tips. Okay, so it happens. Oh, I don't want to update anything now. So when you tap on the prime betting tips, you see something like this: info, app, menu of patches, tools, install app, manage the app. So you click on menu of patches. When you click on menu of patches, you see another options here. I'm not going to read all of them, so I'm going to guide you. What you click on is APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. That's what you're going to click. When you click on it, then you check the first button. The second one is already checked. Say check the first button, then click on rebuild app. So what this thing is going to do is going to rebuild this particular app so that you have access to everything in the app. So to do it, then I will show you how you can maneuver the restriction on the app and get your tips. So we are running a kind of rebuild of the app. It's going to rebuild the app so that you have access to it. Actually, this is going to take a small time, so you have to wait for it to finish. It's going to take, say, 2 to 3 minutes for it to finish, depending on how fast your phone is. Some phone might be faster than mine. So what I'm using is Android phone, so it might be faster depending on the type of phone you are using. So is to kind of rewrite the app, remove all the restrictions that are on it so that you have access to it. Okay, it's almost done. This is 6 of 6. That's the last part of the rebuilding process. It's almost done, and here we go. It's done. So after you have done that, you will see something like this. You go to app. That's what you click on. When you go to app, you said uninstall and install the app. That's the button to click. Then say yes. This Lucky Patcher is going to remove this app from your phone, then reinstall it so that you have access to everything on the app, even without you paying a dime. So that's what it's going to do. You see from my screen, if you can see the screen, it's getting ready to install the app again. It was installed on my phone, then it's going to reinstall it so that I will have access to everything on the app. So it's giving me, asking me if I want to install. So I'm installing. I've clicked on install. So it's going to install the app. After installing it, I will have access to the app. Okay, it has finished and installing, so you can launch. You can launch. The Lucky Patcher will launch the app. I hope you're following the, though it's slow, but I want you to get every bit of it, every step all the way, so that you won't miss anything. This app is going to launch this. The Lucky Patcher is going to launch the app by itself. It's going to do every restriction on it so that you have access to everything on the app. Okay, it have launched the app. You can see the screen very well. You have free and you have the VIP. So I'm going to go straight to the VIP. This is the VIP options. So I'm going to go straight to correct scores. So these are the things on the correct scores. As you can see here, we have games. Today is 19th of January 2023, and we have games between Egypt Premier League. We have National Bank Egypt versus Al Ittihad. So their correct score prediction here is 1-1. We have Saudi Arabia Professional League. It goes round all the major leagues, all the leagues in the world based on their algorithm. They can give you their predictions. Now, what I do here is sometimes I play it on multiple correct score, and sometimes I do play it on single correct score. Sometimes I use it to predict goals. I use it to predict possible outcome, which is what I'm going to do in my next video. But for now, I hope you followed the process very well. Thank you for coming around, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, because you have a lot more. I have a lot to show you, a lot to learn. So do well to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment if you have any question, and if you have anything you want us to do, maybe a pic you want to cover, you can use the comment section to get it, transfer the information to us. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very important. Thank you for coming around, and God bless you.